Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about second mode of heat transfer, which is convection. What happens to the particles in a liquid or gas when you heat them? The particles spread out and become less dense. For example, when we heat a water in a pan, the molecules near the bottom surface of pan where we supply heat source take energy from the hot surface through conduction mode and move from bottom to the surface of pan due to their less density. The heavy density molecules at the surface of the pan move towards bottom due to density difference and take energy from heat source. This circulation is continuous until the temperature of bottom and surface molecules becomes equal. This movement is known as convective current or convective motion. In this way, the convective heat transfer takes place. Convection is a mode of energy transfer between a solid surface and the adjacent liquid or gas that is in motion, and it involves the combined effect of conduction and fluid motion. The faster the fluid motion, the greater the convective heat transfer. Convective heat transfer depends on turbulence of molecules or turbulence of fluid. As we increase the turbulence of fluid, the convective heat transfer rate increases. It also depends on delta T or temperature gradient or a temperature difference. Fluid movement. Cooler, more dense fluid sink through warmer, less dense liquid fluid. In effect, warmer liquids and gases rises up. Cooler liquid and gases sink. Types of convection. Forced convection, for example, through pump, we pump liquid and heat it up. This kind of heat transfer is a basic example of forced convection. Natural convection, for example, wind. How does heat travel through space? The earth is warmed by heat energy from the sun. How does this heat energy travel from sun to earth? Infrared waves. This kind of heat transfer involves radiation mode of heat transfer. There are no particles between the sun and the earth, so the heat cannot travel by conduction or by convection. Here we can understand third mode of heat transfer, which is radiation. The heat travels to the earth by infrared waves. These are similar to light waves and are able to travel through empty spaces. What are infrared waves? Heat can move by traveling as infrared waves. These are electromagnetic waves like heat waves but with a longer wavelength. They can travel through a vacuum. This means that infrared waves act like light waves. They travel at the same speed as light. They can be reflected and absorbed, and the absorption of these electromagnetic waves in black body is maximum. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.